Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you can see, this is another wig install video. So as always, you want to start off by doing the bald cap method. So this is me just cutting off the excess cap, and then I'm going to apply some makeup that matches my skin tone. So now, after putting on lace tint on the inside of the wig, I'm just going to cut out the ear tabs, and then I'm going to cut 3 slits into the lace just so it's easier to apply the glue. So this wig install was actually for my maternity photo shoot, so I applied 2 layers this time. Usually I'll do either 1 or 2 depending on how long I want the wig to last. So after applying that first layer, I'm just going to spread it out with a popsicle stick. And the glue that I use dries really fast, so that's why I always apply the glue to one half of my head and then smear it out, and then I do the other side. So now I'm just going to press the lace into the glue, and I'm going to use my fingers at first, and then I'm going to go in with a rat tail comb. Next, what I'm going to do is use some small scissors, and I'm going to cut right up against the glue. And this is why I cut the lace into 3 tabs, just so I can cut each tab separately and not all at once. And when you're cutting the lace, you want to make sure you go in zigzag motions and not straight across. I also do this part in sections, so I do the middle part and I spray it with lace spray, and then I go in with my blow dryer and a rat tail comb and press it into my skin more, and I'm gonna do the same on either side of my head. So now I'm going to put on my thin elastic band to melt the lace into my skin even further. And usually I only do this step once, and that's after I've taken out my baby hairs. But because this was for my maternity photo shoot, I went the extra mile to do it twice. So I went for a side part this time, which I usually do a side part because I just feel like it looks best on me. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you coming to my yard. So after mapping out my part, I go in with a wax stick and I use my hot comb to slick the hair down. So this is another step that you want to do in sections, just so you can get your part extra flat. Now that I'm done with the part, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to take out my baby hairs. So I'm going to do 2 baby hairs in my temple and then 2 by my ears.
All I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on and fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
So now I'm going to use an elastic band again just to melt the lace even further. And while I let my lace melt, I'm going to go in with some makeup and I'm going to go in my part. And after I do that, I'm going to take a mascara brush and I'm just going to perfect it a little more.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it pick you? When you gave me something I don't really feel.
So now I'm just going to cut my baby hairs at an angle, and I like to use my eyebrow as like a guideline for the ones at my temple, and then the ones by my ear, I just like to use the bottom of my ear. Now I'm just going to curl my baby hairs outwards using my pencil flat iron. Lastly, I'm just going to slick my baby hairs down, and I like to use the green Eco Styler gel to do so. Now that that's finished, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big